Hello everyone. Welcome to the AI for All channel. Have you ever realized how often you interact with advanced technology in your daily life without even noticing? We are surrounded by innovations that, not long ago, seemed like science fiction. Today, one of these innovations, which has become an essential part of our lives, is artificial intelligence, or AI. But what exactly does that mean? And how does it affect our daily routines? Artificial intelligence can be defined as a machine's ability to mimic human behaviors, mainly those related to reasoning, learning, and decision-making. In other words, it's a technology that, based on large volumes of data, can solve problems, learn from experience, and even make complex decisions without direct human intervention. Now, let's explore how AI is already present in your everyday life in places you might not even imagine. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, AI is there, making your life easier in various ways. Virtual assistants, the support you need at your fingertips. If you have a smartphone or smart device at home, you've probably interacted with virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. These assistants are true examples of how AI can be practical and useful. With just a voice command, they can perform a series of tasks that make our daily lives easier. Picture this. You're in the kitchen preparing breakfast and remember you need to add some items to your shopping list. Instead of stopping what you're doing, just say "Hey Siri" or "OK Google" and ask to add milk, bread, or anything else to the list. In seconds, the task is done. These virtual assistants go beyond shopping lists. They can answer questions, control smart home devices, set alarms and reminders, and even share the latest news. All thanks to AI, which allows them to understand what you're saying, interpret the command, and deliver an accurate response. It's amazing to think about how these systems were created to learn from your interactions. The more you use them, the more they adapt to your preferences, making responses and suggestions increasingly personalized. The AI behind virtual assistants analyzes what you ask, understands the context of your requests, and offers the best solution, all without you having to touch your device. This raises the question, what would life be like without these virtual assistants? Probably more complicated. We're talking about a technology that optimizes time, simplifies tasks, and offers convenience, all at our disposal. Personalized movie and music recommendations, AI knows you better than you think. Another very practical and common example of AI in daily life is recommendation systems on movie and music streaming platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Spotify, and even YouTube. If you've ever been surprised by a movie or series recommendation that seemed perfect for your taste, know that it wasn't a coincidence. AI is behind these suggestions, working behind the scenes to ensure you have a personalized experience. Streaming platforms collect data on what you watch or listen to, how much time you spend on each piece of content, what genres and styles you consume the most, and even what times of day you prefer certain types of content. From this information, AI algorithms learn from your habits and start suggesting new movies, series, and music that they believe you'll enjoy. This process is called machine learning, one of the most advanced techniques in artificial intelligence. With each interaction, the system adjusts its parameters to further refine suggestions. If you start watching more comedy movies, for example, the recommendations will change to reflect this new preference. Additionally, AI can identify patterns among different users and their tastes, creating similar profiles to offer recommendations that often surprise. This makes the technology go beyond the obvious, presenting you with content you might not even have imagined you'd like. The fact that these systems learn over time and adapt to your changing tastes makes the entertainment experience much more engaging and enjoyable. Once again, AI is behind a convenience that has become an indispensable part of millions of people's daily lives. Facial recognition, security at your fingertips. Another common and widespread example of AI in daily life is facial recognition. This technology can be found in various applications, from unlocking your phone to security systems in public places. In smartphones, facial recognition has replaced the need to type a password or use a fingerprint. Now all you have to do is look at your phone screen, and the AI system instantly recognizes your face, granting access to the device. But how does this work? Facial recognition uses AI to analyze unique facial features, the distance between your eyes, the shape of your nose, the width of your mouth, and creates a mathematical model of these characteristics. When you try to unlock your phone, the system compares your face with the stored model to ensure that you are the authorized person. This might seem simple, but it actually involves highly complex data processing. AI must handle different lighting conditions, viewing angles, and even changes in the person's face, such as wearing glasses or growing a beard. All of this is taken into account to ensure that the system works quickly and accurately. Beyond cell phones, facial recognition is already being widely used in airports, stadiums, and even payment systems, where AI ensures secure identification of individuals. These systems contribute to public safety and make our lives easier by reducing the need for physical documents and passwords. Health and AI, the future of diagnostics and personalized treatments. Artificial intelligence is becoming a crucial tool in healthcare, promoting advances that are changing how we diagnose and treat diseases. One of the major revolutions brought by AI is its ability to analyze large volumes of medical data, cross-reference information, and identify patterns invisible to the human eye. As a result, deep learning algorithms are helping doctors identify diseases like cancer, diabetes, and even neurological conditions much earlier and more precisely. AI systems like IBM Watson are already being used to provide diagnoses based on a vast database of medical knowledge. These systems can recommend personalized treatments for each patient, based on medical history, genetics, lifestyle, and even personal preferences. This means that, instead of generic treatments, each patient can receive a unique approach adapted to their condition, increasing the chances of success and reducing side effects. Additionally, AI is advancing the automation of hospital tasks and clinical data management, optimizing processes such as patient triage and medication administration. AI-powered robots are used in surgeries, such as AI-assisted robotic surgery, where precision is enhanced, reducing the risk of human error. The future of healthcare with AI goes beyond diagnostics and treatments. It includes regenerative therapies, new drugs, and even real-time epidemic detection through population data analysis. Intelligent education, AI in transforming learning. AI is also transforming education, creating more inclusive and personalized learning environments. With the rise of distance learning, educational platforms have adopted AI technologies to create adaptive learning experiences that adjust content according to each student's pace, preferences, and comprehension level. This allows students to receive the ideal education for their needs, avoiding the one-size-fits-all approach prevalent in traditional classrooms. A notable application of AI in education is the creation of intelligent virtual tutors that assist students in real time, identifying their difficulties and providing instant support. These tutors can monitor students' progress and suggest new content or reviews as needed. Moreover, AI tools can predict areas where a student will likely struggle, enabling teachers to intervene proactively and promote more effective learning. AI is also being used to automate administrative tasks in educational institutions, such as grading tests and assignments. This frees up teachers to focus more on interacting with students and developing high-quality teaching materials. Additionally, with the help of AI, educators gain deeper insights into students' behavior, identifying learning patterns, and adjusting teaching methods to maximize engagement and academic performance. In the long term, AI promises to democratize access to education even further, providing high-quality teaching to students worldwide, regardless of their economic or geographical conditions. This aligns with the trend of lifelong learning, where AI can be a continuous partner, helping individuals develop skills and acquire new knowledge at any stage of their lives. AI in other aspects of everyday life, cars, chatbots, and social media filters. Artificial intelligence is also present in other areas of our daily lives in surprising ways. Autonomous cars, for example, are one of the most talked about innovations. Although they are not yet widely available to the general public, several car manufacturers are already testing and launching models that use AI to drive autonomously or assist the driver in tasks like parking or lane keeping. This technology relies on sensors and AI algorithms that constantly monitor the environment around the car, identifying pedestrians, other vehicles, and potential obstacles. This enables the car to make real-time decisions to ensure the safety of the driver and passengers. It is predicted that, in the not-so-distant future, autonomous cars will become a common reality on our roads, completely changing how we travel. Another example is chatbots, which are already used by many companies for customer service. When you visit a store's website or use a company's customer service, it's likely that you're interacting with an AI-based chatbot. These bots are trained to understand and respond to questions naturally, providing quick and efficient support. Additionally, anyone who uses social media has likely played around with augmented reality filters, another example of applied AI. These filters, which can add everything from simple effects to complex face transformations like animal ears or digital makeup, use AI to map facial points in real time and apply the modifications precisely. Conclusion: the future of AI is already here. As we've seen throughout this text, artificial intelligence is already deeply integrated into our daily routines. From virtual assistants that make our tasks easier to recommendation systems that make our entertainment more personalized, AI is always present, facilitating and enriching our lives in ways that seemed unimaginable just a few years ago. The most impressive thing is that we are just beginning to explore the potential of this technology. The future promises even more advances, with AI becoming increasingly intelligent, autonomous, and integrated into every aspect of our daily lives. And how have you interacted with AI in your daily life? Get ready because the future of artificial intelligence is closer than we imagine, and it will bring even more transformations to our lives. Did you enjoy the content? Don't forget to subscribe and like the AI for All channel to stay updated on more news about technology and artificial intelligence. See you next time.